Trelleborg Sealing Solutions prides itself on its global reach and local presence. Strategically positioned production sites make up its worldwide manufacturing network. The Trelleborg Sealing Solutions facility in Czechowice, Poland, focuses on the demanding automotive, off-highway, and oil and gas industries. It also has a specialism in components for plate heat exchangers, as well as e-bikes, which are seeing booming demand as people look for more sustainable forms of transport. The site's expertise lies in medium to large-sized engineered molded parts in medium to high volumes. This includes multi-component solutions, combining elastomers, metals, and plastics. Our injection and compression molding capabilities, innovative tools cleaning, and dedicated parts finishing processes have laid a strong foundation for our medium to high volumes manufacturing profile. Our processes are built on our expertise and lean manufacturing standards. Trelleborg Group's excellence programs set ambitious efficiency and quality targets. Each year we raise the bar with Industry 4.0 mindset, continuous improvement on automation, and real-time production monitoring systems. One of our key competencies is polymer compounding, designing and formulating materials to support customers' applications and enhance their performance. With state-of-the-art laboratory equipment and our material specialists, we are able to test and deliver formulations with a wide range of mechanical and chemical properties. Trelleborg Sealing Solutions prides itself on its R&D capabilities. Local expertise is supported by global resources. That means solutions to the toughest challenges can be found. Our tailored product engineering engages advanced software and tools, such as virtual injection simulations, 3D scanning and printing, as well as finite element analysis. Evaluating part and mold concepts, we accelerate our customers' design processes from original concept to serial production. With a zero-defect mindset, quality is core to everything we do. We employ robust processes and inspection standards, with visual inspection systems and state-of-the-art finished goods measurement equipment that eliminates process deviations.
However, a manufacturing facility is nothing without its people. Our highly skilled employees are our key success factor, with high engagement and passion at work. Great teams create great things. We are here for our customers, providing them with the optimum solutions for their needs.